hurdle is to get this motor out of here. Transfer case bolt. So, this is a pain. I should have brought my jack. So there's one bolt. No bolt there, I guess. 1, 2. So I guess just 2 bolts holding this in there. Another 12 point, of course. Because why not? One right there. And one up in there. You can't really see it. Kinda, sorta. See with that thing turning off on me. Up in there somewhere. So I really got a way to give you guys a good camera angle. I'll come back after we're done. And then you have this connector up there which you're gonna have to release. Okay, we got our last bolt out. Bam, 12 point garbage. And the connector disconnected up in here. Yeah. So now, hopefully, we don't have to take this front drive shaft out. That would be cool. Sweet. Awesome. I did get the isolator plate. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean off the surface best I can. Probably just gonna use some brake clean on her. And yeah, we'll bring this up top, make sure we got a match, and make sure it's in the right position. And we will go ahead with the installation. I mean, I guess I could have reused this isolator, but I didn't. It's a pretty greasy job. Here's the gasket. Here's this. Here somewhere. Let me see. Okay. Well. Oh no. Just don't even go through the thing. Where are they supposed to go? Whoops. That's interesting. Maybe it's to another application? That, I don't know. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's... Oh, they glued it on, that's why. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna work now. Yeah, well. Oh, well. Anyways. So this is what I wanted to see. Yep. Oh. We're not in the right position here. But I wonder... Shoot. I don't really think you can manually move it over without mucking stuff up. Okay. Fine. so I got these from the Slamazon, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure got both from Amazon. Instead of paying $100 and whatever million trillion dollars they want for a brand new one through the part stores or through the OEM supplier, we went ahead with the aftermarket. The aftermarket being, okay, so it only goes on one way. Aftermarket being Amazon. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right here. Okay, so we got that pretty much lined up with itself. Okay, here, you see the flat to the flat. Now she's facing that way, and that guy is facing 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So I don't really know what the procedure is on aligning that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to align the transfer case, and then we will go from there. Hopefully it doesn't screw stuff up. We'll see. Alright, so it's not really the best of views, but it's something. Man, I wish I would have brought my jack. Yeah. Okay, so we go like this. It's gonna be down all the way. It was weird, I was just able to kind of turn it earlier. Oh, I can turn it up. Okay, that thing. That should be good enough. Let's try. Come on. Maybe not. So there's that. Oh. Wow. Oh, shucks. Ouch. Okay, fast forward through a whole bunch of swearing and a bunch of everything else. She's in. And that's all I had for a jack right now. I did not feel like going into town again and grabbing the jack and jack stand, so we lived on the danger zone. Took a ride on the wild side. Okay, so next step is to have a cigarette. Not really. I really don't know what else to do after installing that. I'm sure that was weird. It just clapped out on me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You know? I think I'm gonna have a look on the Googles and the YouTubes about this little drain nubbins down there in the radiator. I don't know if it's gonna work on this one, because there's no actual little, I don't know. So I'm gonna have a look on that. I'm gonna put this back together and kind of go from there. This poor thing's all messed up, but it's better than having it fully exposed. No. See? There we go. Come on now. Have to do. Okay. Seems like it's on there sideways, but I don't know. I guess not. Because they're fucking damn seats. Okay. Yeah. So I'll be right back with you. From what I read, they want you to take the radiator out, which means trans-cooler lines have to come off, and all that bull. I don't think I'm going to do it that way. I think I'm just going to take the top hose out of the way. Probably leave the bottom hose right where it's at. I don't know where the hell that thing's at. Okay, right there. It goes on the thermostat. Yeah, I'll leave that right on the radiator. Looks brand new. I am kind of concerned on the age of these hoses and if I will end up having to replace a whole bunch of them. Hopefully not, but yeah, we shall see. So I will come back with what I plan on doing next. So it appears it's down here. Yeah, that guy right there. If then you guys can see it. It looks like a drain, right? But it's not. The consensus is Jim had too many of these break or start leaking. Or they wanted to save a couple of cents by not having them come with the drain or drill out the drain and put the plug in. So yeah, we're gonna have to just tear that bottom lower radiator hose off and spill coolant all over everywhere, and yeah, So, come back when I'm set up. Okay, so. Nope. Go grab the ratchet. Okay. There we go. Now, prepare to make a giant mess everywhere. Let's go here. Maybe, yes. Oh, there we go. I don't know how this is gonna catch anything. If I could, let's take this thing off. Come on. All right. Release the schmoo. Okay. Sweet. Release the suction. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Suction has been released. Nope. Get in the bucket. Oh, dang it. There we go. Oh, yes, you're correct. This is supposed to be deck school, but it's not. Interesting. Okay. That'd be cool. There. That's gonna be a pain in the arse. But maybe we'll just take that stupid spring in the thing, hose clamp off. Okay, easy. Easy. Oh, how's this gonna go down? No, I mean, I caught some of it. Got the lower and upper radiator hoses off, draining. That's kind of empty-ish. So I guess next thing to do. Okay, a little bit bigger. Come on. There we are. Oh. Yep, that's going everywhere. I'm just gonna get it to go somewhat into the bowl. Oops. Oopsie daisies. Oops. Oops daisies. Get in the hole. Right. Where? Okay. Come on. There we go. Any more? No, not really. Okay. Okay, that's step one, I guess. Alright, so the next couple of steps are... Oh boy. You gotta get this guy off. And I did not bring that tool. So that's great. That's great. Crap. And then second is we'll take the tensioner off. After that, it's just a whole bunch of I mean, you know, obviously taking the belt off. There's a bunch of bolts in there, and you just it pops right off. So I'm gonna try and break this guy loose. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. So in case you guys don't end up having the special tool, what I took was just a Swedish nut lathe down there. See? And then I took the equivalent wrench that fit on there, and gave some tension on there so the belt could just bite on it. And I took our linear impact driver and just, you know, beat it like a cabin screen door. And as you can see, this particular one is this right hand thread, so it's not left hand, which is cool. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna take this guy off. We gotta transfer the fan blade over to the new unit. And then we will commence the water pump replacement. I'm gonna grab a new battery beforehand, that way I don't have to worry about that. And then I'll set you guys up somewheres and probably throw a time lapse on, just so I don't have so much kind of boring footage to edit through. It's pretty straightforward, you know. We got 4 bolts here we're gonna have to take out to swap the fan. No, what am I thinking? Never mind. Don't even bother. We're just gonna screw this guy right on there. I was thinking that we were gonna replace the fan clutch, which right now we're not going to do. Probably should, but we're not. Keep the cost down. So let me get this other battery in ya, and we shall start again. I gotta get going quick because I don't have much sunlight left. All right. easy, fella. Oh, shiz. So those do have a little tiny feller. It goes right here, and then the two long boys go right there. You don't want to mess that up, or else you will crack the housing there, I'm assuming. See, I don't like that. Yeah, don't mess those up. You will very much regret it. Very much. Well, the rest of these appear to be 10 millimeters. Those are 15s. Okay. Double check for safety. Oh yeah. Okay. And then the same kind of idea. I'm just gonna leave these all in here, so I don't end up mucking up and yeah, mucking up. Oh, is this AC belt gonna be a problem? No, it shan't be. I don't think there is. Okay, we got that. Any more down here? No. Okay. So I think we got 3 over here. And that should be it. Easy. I'm a definite GM noob. I worked on Fords. Lots of Dodges. Kenworth. Toyota. And that's pretty much it. Oh, hidden fella. Yep. And here comes the black coat. Well, I did try to not make such a huge mess, but it's kind of destined to happen with this particular job. So, you know, you'll have that oofed out. Sorry, Greta. Not really. How dare you? How dare you? Okay, so anyways, here we are. Left. I don't necessarily have a super scraper, but we're gonna make do with what we got. It's definite. I think I might just take a wire wheel to this real quick. Maybe. I don't know how I'm gonna get over there. I do have one of those like zip wheel deals. I might be able to get in there with the like abrasive. What am I trying to say? The stuff with the thing and stuff, the stuff and thing. This. So we'll give that a shot. I think I have some new ones in the truck.